I recently bought a Sony Xperia 5 Mark III from Ovantica website. So in this video, we'll just see quick unboxing and initial impressions on this device. But if you have any doubts on this website or on Sony phones, I'll make a different video and I'll talk about everything I know about these things, about website and Sony smartphones. So if you have any doubts, that video will help you in choosing the phones. So now we can take the box out. We'll have the phone first. Inside this has a phone. So this is our phone, Sony 5 Mark III. We'll have the phone first. It's a phone. So this is our phone, Sony 5 Mark III. So the outside it looks good, great I think. So let's turn on this device. Yes, this has one green line as I know, and it works only on Wi-Fi. So that's not a problem for me because I had different devices to use on my daily basis. I bought this device only for camera, so which means I won't see the screen so much time. I got another phone, so I will tell you how to set up this device, because first time when you turn on this device it will be in Japanese. So if you don't know how to set up, you should use Google Translator. It will help you. You just open Google Translate. You see it will be in Japanese. You will get a charging cable and you will get a SIM ejector pin. We have two for some reason, and there is warranty card, but this is a problematic device. If you want an adapter, you have to pay extra 200 or 300 rupees. Let's talk about the device now. Here comes the problematic condition device. This costed me 30 or 40% less than the fully working device. It has green lines and SIM doesn't work in this device. You can use only Wi-Fi. I don't use this phone regularly. I use this only to take pictures and videos. Green line is not a problem for me. So you have to remember, if you buy a problematic device, you won't get 6 months warranty. You only get 7 days replacement. After that, if the device won't work, you have to leave the device. That's all.